Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Slope fields can look intimidating, but we can solve this differential equation in seconds. Let's find the correct graph by checking where the slopes vanish. First, notice that our derivative depends only on the variable x. This means that for any specific x value, the slope must be identical all the way up and down the column. Next, we set the derivative equal to 0 to find where the segments are horizontal. Solving 1 minus x squared equals 0 tells us the slope is 0 at x equals 1. Looking at our options, only graph A shows perfectly horizontal segments at x equals 1 and negative 1. That makes option A our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully, always trust given equations, and check your steps.